And here we have the Robbie Shannon, snoring like a fat bride. As you can see, he likes to lie beside the toilet in a fetal position and pretend that he's not so fat, but he's actually extremely fat. Here we see him waking up. Oh no, he's going back to sleep.